Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our hotel. My name is Diana, and I will be your personal butler during your stay. Ma'am, can I borrow your ID to check you in? Thank you, ma'am. For the meantime, you may stay in our lounge while we wait. Ma'am, we're done checking you in. We can now go to your room. Please follow me. Ma'am, this is your room. Allow me to assist you with settling in. May I unpack and arrange your belongings, ma'am? Sure. Please have a seat, ma'am.
Ma'am, your belongings have already been arranged in the wardrobe. Before I go, allow me to briefly introduce the room facilities. The air conditioning control located behind the door. The coffee table is right here beside the bed. And the safety deposit box is inside the wardrobe.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you.
Alright, ma'am.